This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ramona Weber. Welcome to the inviting Bennett Ranch model, with an open floor plan with a sprawling island, complemented by the elegance of 9-foot ceilings. Revel in the finer details, 7-inch baseboards, luxurious LVP flooring in key areas, and sleek tile in the owner's bath. Indulge in upgraded comforts with plush carpeting in the bedrooms. The heart of the home boasts quartz kitchen counters, paired with custom cabinets for a touch of sophistication. Craftsman interior doors add a timeless charm, while the tankless water heater and optional gas fireplace enhance both convenience and warmth. This residence goes beyond the basics, offering a myriad of beautiful included features. Tailor your living space to your liking with numerous options and features, creating a truly unique custom home that reflects your style and preference. August 8, 2025. For more information.